Welcome back to the Chartlog Trade Journaling course. In this lesson, we will talk about the journaling process. So far, we have already found our way around Chartlog, imported trades, and created strategies and custom fields so that we are ready for journaling. We go to the Trades tab and enter the journal view. Then we choose the day that we want to journal, in this case January 28th, and the trade that we want to journal. The first impression we will get about our trade is the chart. We will see, was it a good trade? Was it a bad trade? Did we make big mistakes? Did we follow our rules? We can already get a first idea about how good that trade was by just simply looking at the charts. And then when we want to dig deeper into it, we first assign a strategy. We go to select strategy and assign the 1 minute orb. Chartlog will load the strategy and then ask us if we followed the rules. So first of all, the market conditions. Did we trade a stock with a catalyst? We can't see that on the chart now, but let's just assume we did. So we tick this box. Was the first 1 minute candle a directional one? It went from here to here, the price. It's a big body candle. There are no wicks or nearly no wicks. So yes, it's a directional first 1 minute candle. Was it on the correct side of VWAP? Yes, it was above VWAP, this blue line. So we tick that box as well. Was it close to VWAP? And here's where our rules get a little bit subjective. But let's just say this is still close to VWAP. Did we stick to our entry triggers? Did we wait for the break of the 1 minute candle? Yes, we did. And did we stick to our exit triggers for winning trades? Did we get out before the first new 1 minute low against us, which would be here? Yes, we did. So we actually followed all our rules, and Chartlog is going to tell us, okay, you followed 100% of the rules. Now to the custom field. We also wanted to track what kind of candle the first 1 minute candle was. And in this case, like I said, it's a big body candle. It started here and ended here, nearly no wicks. So we select the option inside of the custom field that we created in the lesson before, and we will say this is a big body candle. So now Chartlog saves that data and we can move on. Besides strategies and custom fields, there's a lot more information that we can journal or that we can see in the details section. For example, let's say this is one of our favorite trades ever and we want to call it favorite. So we will add the tag favorite to this trade, and later on that makes it a lot easier to find this trade. We could also add a media file or calculate risk to reward ratios. Let's say our stop loss was here at 101.74. Then we just enter that number here. And Chartlog will calculate the risk to reward ratio and show both the entry, the target, and also the stop loss line on the chart. You will also be shown maximum excursion data that tells you how much more you could have lost on the trade or how much more you could have won on the trade. There's more details about the trade, and you can also see every execution and the corresponding commissions. Then you can also see some fundamentals and technicals, and most importantly, we will add a description to this trade, which is basically our written journal entry. For now, let's keep it simple and just say, great trade, well done. And that's it. We have filled in all the information that we need, and we can mark the trade as reviewed. See the blue dot next to the AMD over here? That means this trade hasn't been reviewed yet. So if we mark it as reviewed, this blue dot is gone and we are done journaling for this trade, and because it was only one trade on that day, also for the day.